Well, hello there, everyone. I'm so glad that you're joining me today in my kitchen because I have a special Valentine's treat for you. I want to show you how to make your very own Little Debbie snack cakes. Oh, I'm so excited to share this with you. So hang with me today because it's that time to get cooking. Okay, so all you'll need is one white cake mix, and I'm just following the recipe on the back of the box. 1.5 cups of water, 1/2 cup of oil, and then 5 egg whites. We're just going to pour it into a large jelly roll baking pan that I've lined with parchment paper, spreading it out, and then bake in a 350-degree oven for 20 to 25 minutes. So I'm lightly dusting another piece of parchment paper with powdered sugar. This just keeps the cake from sticking. The cake is cooled, and now I'm flipping it over onto that paper and then peeling off the other piece. Now I have a heart-shaped cookie cutter, and I'm just going to cut out heart-shaped little pieces of cake and place them onto a tray that again is aligned with parchment paper. Then I'm going to take my heart-shaped cakes and I'm going to freeze them for at least an hour. To make the cream for the center of the cakes, you'll need 1.5 sticks of room temperature butter with 7 ounces of marshmallow cream. Blend until smooth, and then add 2 cups of powdered sugar. Two tablespoons of heavy cream, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and then blend it all together. And what I have here is the leftover cake after I cut out the heart shapes. So I'm just going to add, about 1/2 cup or so of that icing, and I'm just going to mix it into that cake because we're going to make cake balls. Just going to take a scoop out the cake mixture, and then I'm going to roll them into balls and place them in the freezer. So now that my little heart cakes have been frozen, they're easier to cut in half, and that is what I'm doing here. And then what I have here is a piping bag. I'm placing it inside of a cup. This just helps to be able to hold that piping bag so that you can fill it with the delicious cream frosting. Then cut off the end and pipe onto your little heart cake. This is easier than spreading it on. All right, so once I get all these made, then I'm going to place them back in the freezer for about another hour. So to my double boiler, I'm going to add some Ghirardelli white chocolate wafers. So once the chocolate is melted, I'm just going to add some pink food coloring. And I like to use a knife and fork when dipping in chocolate. And I'm just dropping that cake into that chocolate. So I thought I'd show you another method to coat your cakes with the chocolate. I have a wire basket over a bowl, and I'm placing the chocolate on top of my cakes. And I'm just tapping it until that chocolate runs a little bit. And I'm taking my knife just to make sure that it's nice and coated. Now it's time for the cake balls. All right, so I melted the other white chocolate. I'm placing it in another piping bag, and I'm just making the little squiggly lines on top of the cakes. And also the cake balls. Now I want to show you what they look like on the inside. Check it out. Oh. And of course, we've got the little cake balls too. This just makes the perfect Valentine's sweet treat for someone special in your life. Well, thank you all so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. God bless. And as always, I will see you soon with more delicious recipes.